Welcome at my art studio. My name is Kai Weber. I am the art director at the Boys and Girls Club of San Francisco, Tenderloin Clubhouse. And I invite you today to make a sunset collage with me. So first of all, you need colorful paper. You can use any kind of paper, but I recommend construction paper. So what I'm doing here is I take basically all the colors of the rainbow and make a really fun sunset with these. You can add pink and purple and all the colors you like, of course. This is just like always a suggestion. What you need beside paper is definitely a pencil to really draw the shapes that you will cut out. You need, of course, scissors to cut the shapes. And last but not least, you need glue to put it all nicely together. So I will set it up from the background to the front so it looks pretty abstract in the beginning. Then you can add all the little details that you like to have a little narrative. So you can add trees. I will add some palm trees, maybe a little boat, maybe a little house, anything you like. It's really up to you. So enjoy the journey. I hope you had fun seeing me creating the sunset. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with and the comments you might leave for me, what subject you like to do next time or what we could explore in terms of collage, paper crafts and art. I hope you have a great day and see you next time. Bye.